I travel to face all of me. Bückeburg. This is how I see this small town in Germany. Let's go take a little tour. I was just sitting at home, staring at the ceiling, and then I realized Bückeburg is only 50 kilometers away, and I'd never been. It even has a beautiful castle. So here I am, and I'm glad I came. Sometimes small towns surprise you with really cool things. Wait, this building? I think it is the town hall, Rathaus. Man, it is so calm. No idea what is this. Actually, the town hall building is a museum, and right across is the Stadthaus. Nice view. Looks like this is the main square, and right behind me is an old gate. For me, that's a mysterious clock on the wall, with all those little bells around it. Look, there's a sign pointing to the castle. I wanna go check it out. Attention everyone, the king is entering. But nobody's waiting for me here. The queen is coming with her dappled horse. I don't need horseshoes. I'm lucky enough already. No, it's not a river. Wait, I think it's just a pond here. The water's just standing still. And there is so many leaves and debris in it, just like some moments in life. And that castle looks pretty ordinary to me. The Bückeburg Castle. They even put a piano here. Looks like it's covered in algae. A green model or something. Now I'm going to play the masterpiece of the century for you. آره دیگه. Now I have got a 360-degree view of this castle. What do you think about it? It's beautiful? I think it's very boring, don't you? Huh? Canon. It's funny. So this Canon has nothing to do with my old Canon camera. There's another Canon over there. Honestly, I don't feel like going inside this castle. The ticket prices for visiting castles are usually between 5 to 10 euros. I like this pound next to the castle more. They are not moving at all. Are they asleep? Pretty nice. Oh, my yellow! By the way, guys, have you ever noticed? What's the secret here? Sometimes in swamps, in muddy waters, some beautiful flowers grow. That's how life is. Some people really get stuck in a swamp, in muddy places. They might be really good people with beautiful thoughts, even beautiful themselves, maybe full of good things. But unfortunately, they get trapped in the wrong place. This is exactly how life is for some people. This branch. How far is creeping?
Bak 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 bak.
I feel like taking some photos here,
Yeah.
especially black and white ones, since that's my favorite style in photography. I just found a Canon barrel here. For a moment, the horse almost bolted. Beautiful spotted horse. Yeah, this is a museum too. That building used to be a big stable where they kept the horses, but now it's turned into a museum. The king is about to leave. Now I'm gonna take a walk around the town to see if there is anything going on. These tiny street side cafes really make the town feel alive. How interesting is this?
Nicht ganz eingefahren. Muss ein bisschen vorsichtig sein. Zu hektische Bewegung. Ja, sicher. Oh, hoppla.
I personally enjoy visiting small towns like this ones too, but not for living. What about you? Comment below. Could you live in a place like this? Or would you prefer a big city? Let's take a quick look inside this church too. Oh, I suddenly felt a bit dizzy.
Wie alt ist sie?
Die ist 400 Jahre alt, ein bisschen älter. Also die ist 1615.
This church is 410 years old.
Ist keine katholische Kirche, ist eine lutherische Kirche.
Martin Luther?
Ja.
Meinen Sie evangelisch, ne?
Ist eine evangelische Kirche.
Evangelische Kirche.
Ja. Waren Sie im Schloss hier in Bückeburg?
Ja, erstmal Bückeburg, ne?
Ja, das ist Bückeburg. Ja, also nun bin ich sehr gläubig.
Bin ich ein
Ja, ein Atheist.
Atheist.
That's right. I'm an atheist. Okay.
Musik.
You really had people fooled. Anything up there? What are you looking for in the sky? Just bullshit, right? Nothing going on.
Bye bye.
Alright, thanks for tagging along. Did you enjoy this little tour? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm heading back now. I've arrived to Bückeburg train station. I need to go up on this platform. I better hop on quickly. The train is coming. Are you ready to face all of you?